I don't know if you can hear me, because the rain is real strong. The first bands of Tropical Storm Isias are coming in. This tropical storm is just about to affect the Carolinas. The winds are picking up. The rain is picking up. Everything is. And like I said, these are the first outer bands of the storm. Oh, wow. The storm was a Category 1, but it weakened last night, so I don't know how strong it is. I haven't checked yet. The rain seems to be slowing down. The winds, however, they're still going. The time is 3:10 p.m. 3:10 p.m. The rain is getting a lot heavier. Look at that. This is the most rain in one summer that I've ever seen in North Carolina. You can see across the street from me, the rain is coming down in sheets. The latest advisory from the National Hurricane Center has winds at 70 miles an hour, which is 4 miles an hour away from a Category 1 hurricane. Wow. Look at that.
Miles from the center. Isias will continue along the Georgia and southeast South Carolina coasts this afternoon and evening. Isias is then forecast to make landfall near the North Carolina-South Carolina border and move northeast across eastern portions of the Carolinas tonight through early Tuesday. Conditions should begin to deteriorate this evening, with the greatest impacts expected tonight through early Tuesday. Tropical storm force winds, heavy rainfall, and associated flooding are the main threats. Due to saturated soils and strong winds, expect numerous down trees and power lines. Isolated tornadoes are also possible. Condition serves the northeast Piedmont of North Carolina. The current time is 3:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here is a special message from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Johnston, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued...
My backyard here is beginning to flood a little bit, and conditions have just started to pick up. As you heard in the weather report in the car there, tropical storm force winds are expected near our area, which isn't as bad as Category 1 force. So we're thankful for that. Our power is likely to still go out though, so we gotta be prepared for that. This one seems to be a lot like Florence, Hurricane Florence. Lots of rain, a little bit of wind, and luckily we're only expected to have tropical storm force winds. And also conditions are expected to deteriorate later tonight, probably around midnight, as heard in the weather forecast over there. Also, my backyard seems to be starting to flood. Let me just run out and show you real quick. You can't see it, but that's about 2 inches of water right there. I'm gonna set my foot in it. And look how the water just engulfs my shoe. So this could be dangerous for central North Carolina. The rain has definitely begun to calm down, but it's probably gonna pick up again soon. You can't tell, but the clouds up there are actually moving counterclockwise, which is the direction that storms rotate in the northern hemisphere. So that's a sign that the outer bands have begun to come in.